Right, so the wife says the hoover's not sucking up as well as it used to. So, have a look at the hoover, and I take the waste basket off. So the first thing that strikes me is that yeah, so I then explained to the wife, do you know how the hoover works? She says, yeah. She says, air gets sucked in here, it goes round in here, and then it sucks all the crap up through this hole. She says, yeah. I said, well, if that hole's fucking ram-packed full of stuff, and that is proper ram-packed, I'm shoving my finger in there, yeah, it means you need to empty the hoover. Does she know how to empty? Is it like teaching a child? Is she going to learn?